Welcome back, everybody, to Backyard Cooking, where today it is Bucket's birthday. Over on Outdoor Adventures Instagram, we are also having the theme this week, Be Sustainability. And a great way to be sustainable is to make your own dog treats. And so this week we are going to do just that, and we're going to show you how to make your own dog treats without an oven. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is a great way to stay a little bit more sustainable, especially if you're buying your ingredients from a local grocery store. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at UCF Outdoor Adventure and UCF RWC. And thank you for wishing Bucket a happy birthday with us.